Another attempt at pulling an epic hit from a Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection pack from Upper Deck. I have to say, when I first saw these cards, I didn't think they were going to turn out as well as they did. They have that very thick cardboard feel to them. Real sturdy and nice. Excellent artwork. And a number of pulls that are just appealing to add to the collection of a Blizzard Entertainment fan. Let's see if any of those come our way in this pack. So that's a Laria Windware Runner. We'll take it. Laria's amazing. Lunara, Hearthstone, Barded Bronzebeard, classic character, Genji, Horde Art, Zoltan Cool, D2, Zeradul, Diablo. That card is amazing looking. That's nice. Final card, Zul Jin.